I've been overhand weave on the left side, and let's open it up, and let's stall the right one, stall the left one, stall the right one, stall the left one, and then right and left and right and left and right and left and right and left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, back to overhand weave, and we're going to turn to underhand weave and open it up, and we're going to do the same thing, only we're going to start with the left stall. So left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. Last four, left, right, back to underhand weave, extension right, extension left, extension right, extension left, extension right, extension left, extension right, extension left, back to underhand weave, turn left to pinwheel, make it big, again big, one more time big, and then we're going to turn left into overhand weave and fountain to the right, come down low, and then up high as you return. Second time, come low, and then up high, and then come low, and then up high, and last time, come low, and then up high, and then we're going to come down, sweep back up over the top into pinwheel, down on the left and overhand, open it up, stall the left between the leg, turn to butterfly, butterfly turn around to the right, butterfly turn around to the left, butterfly turn around to the right, and butterfly turn around to the left. Third set, butterfly turn around to the right, and butterfly turn around to the left, and last set to the right, and last set to the left, and then come into the hip reel, and bring it up into the opposite pinwheel. Now add the extension right and left, and right, and left, and right, and left, and right, and left, and come back into the butterfly. Now thread the needle. We're going to plane shift it up over the head, and then we're going to tap the left poi on the back, turn into the clockwise corkscrew again, and we're going to try wrapping it up, getting it short, and then keeping it on the inside plane down here. So just a quick breakdown, if you don't remember from clockwise, the left wraps up here, and the right one wraps below the hand. And what you do is you stick your fingers down so it wraps down here, and you stick your fingers up so that it wraps up there. So if you're in clockwise, it's one, then the other, real quick, boom, boom. And then keep it small down here. Yes, 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 nice, 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 nice. And separate it out. And bring it back together. So I'm just opening the hands to the side. All you do is just open the hands to the side and come back together. And open it up. And come back together. And open it up. And now we're going to turn right with it. And then we're going to turn left with it. And then come back together. And then we're going to turn right with it. And then we're going to turn left with it. And turn right again. And turn left again. Open it up again. Come back together. And release into full length. Continue your turn around. Well, in your case, you're already facing me. Bring it back up into pinwheel. And we're going to chase the sun again. Now sweep back, step right, sweep over, step your left foot back, sweep over, step your left foot forward, sweep low, step your right foot back, sweep over the top. And we're going to turn left twice. So sweep back, step right, sweep over, step your left back. Now you're going to come to the right. So you're going to sweep over, step left, sweep back, step your right foot back, come over the top. So sweep back, step right, sweep over, step your left foot back, sweep over, step left, step your right foot back as you sweep over. Sweep back, step, sweep, step, sweep. We're in overhand on the right. We're going to step onto the right foot, and then we're going to lift the left foot as we come over the top. Yeah, so we'll do it as one motion. Well, basically, all you do is, we're chasing the sun. And all you do is just lift that left leg and come up over the top. Let's try that again. So chase, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Now this next one, you're going to come under the leg and 2 and under leg on 3 And under the leg on the next one, so every other one. And one more under the leg. And come down, drop stall, and then let's go into an opposite direction corkscrew. So I'm going inward like an overhand butterfly. And come into opposite direction. And we're going to plane shift it up into the pinwheel, sorry. And that's those extensions that we did earlier, alternating. Right, left, last time right, last time left, come down to butterfly, double stall out, double stall under the leg left, out, under the leg right, and under the leg left, and under the leg right, back to overhand butterfly, angel, giant, angel, butterfly, thread the needle, bring it up again over the head, tap the left poi into clockwise, coming around. Now we're going to do the same combo we did, wrap it up small, and then we get into this short clockwise, inside plane corkscrew, separate together, separate together, separate together, separate together, separate. Now turn to the right with it. Fake it, fake it, fake it, fake it. Turn to the left with it. Come together. And then we're going to turn to the right with it. And turn to the left with it. And turn to the right with it. Turn to the left with it. Then we're going to open it up to regular size. And face your front. Plane shift it up. Come down, sweep, turn left. So you should be an underhand. Double stall. Pull it into the buzzsaw. Give yourself a nice little back bend. And woo.